Good morning, children. Hope you all are well, fit, and fine. Today's session is very interesting, my dear children. Hope you all have understood my previous videos. So, we must proceed further with our lesson number 4, Shivaji's Childhood Part 1 Summary. Last we end up with Shahaji Raje, who left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi due to the decline of Nizam Shahi kingdom. Okay, so now let's start with our main points first. Our topic is Shivaji's childhood. Today I will cover up the main points. Birth of Shivaji. Second, Shivaji's childhood. Third, Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals. Fourth, founding of a new Nizam Shahi. Fifth, Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. Now today I will cover up the two main points. So let's begin. First, Shah Jahan from north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Dispatch means to send and conquer means to take control of. Jeetna. Okay. Pune was the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir and it was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Burned to the ground means completely destroyed. Now Shahaji Raje was in great trouble. He was really very confused because Jijabai was pregnant. Pregnant means to give birth to a child. The great question which worried here was Shahaji Raje was searching for some place where she could remain, where Jijabai could remain in safety and peace. Now he remembered. What did he remember, children? Yes, Shivneri Fort. It was a Shivneri Fort which would keep Jijabai safely. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junag in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on four sides. Cliffs means a straight road, no proper way to go, and a strong fortification and massive doors. Fortification means a strong wall or a building. And massive doors means huge doors. So huge that even can an elephant go into it. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijayaraj, yani ki who took care of it. A relative of Bhosle's. Relative means a relation. You can see the picture of Shivneri Fort here. It was very beautiful, children. Now Shivaji is born. Yes, on 19 February 1630, remember this date, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in Pune, Jijabai gave birth to a son. The son and that child was named Shivaji, as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. Everybody was overjoyed, happy, and his appropriate ceremony took place when he was born. Now we will go to the next point. Shivaji's childhood. Shivaji passed his first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition. Unsettled means not happy. भाग दौड़ में उसने निकाले. Even so, जीजाबाई did not neglect his education. यानी कि जीजाबाई ने एडुकेशन में कोई रुकावट न आने दी. Every evening, she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. And what did she do? Yes, she taught him the stories of Rama and Krishna and also of Bhim and Abhimanyu. You must have heard Rama, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. They were the great gods. Ramayan and Mahabharat. You must have heard the story of Ramayan and Mahabharat. On the other occasions, she would also recite to him the devotional songs of the sons. You must have remembered Work of the Saints chapter. Yes, Sant Namdev, Dhyaneshwar or Sant Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen these stories and the exploits of brave men. Exploit means Vaidya. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he would display valor like them. Means he would become brave like them. Jijabai told him stories of many pious persons. Pious means Pavitra log. And saints. And this thought made him and showed him a respect and honor for all saints and great men. Honor means respect. Now, Shivaji and Mavlas. Who were the Mavlas, children? Yes, Shivaji's friends. He used to play, he used to enjoy his time. The children of Mavlas were like the birds in the forest. Birds means to roam about freely without no tension. They would imitate the sounds of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Means they used to remove the noise, same as copy like them. And when the Maulas played with them, Shivaji also shared his meal with them. He used to enjoy going to their huts and eat their meal of onion and bhakri with relish. Means with taste. When you tell your mother, children, to cook something favorite, how you enjoy your food, the same way he used to enjoy. Now they were also playing together many interesting games to pass their time. They would pass their time also by building small forts of earth and making earthen elephants and horses. Earthen means mitti se banana. See, you can see in the picture, children. Horses, elephants, whatever they like. They played hide and seek and also played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them, and in all these games and he became so popular with them. Popular means famous. Yes, children. So now we will end up this session. You all will do your homework, and in your homework book you will search all the proper nouns in this part. There are many proper nouns. Search them and write in your homework book. And also search something more about Shivaji's childhood. You can write briefly in your homework book. Thank you.